Welcome to the Business Finance Bulletin, episode 211. Welcome to the latest Business Finance Bulletin with me, Rob Warlow from Business Loan Services, the commercial finance experts. In this bulletin, Funding Circle invites BLS to join its Business Champion program, mobile bank CountingUp launches its business bank account, and business confidence continues to strengthen. Let's start this bulletin with some internal Business Loan Services news. I'm delighted to share with you the news that Funding Circle has invited BLS to be part of its Business Champion program. Now, Funding Circle is one of the UK's largest debt crowdfunding platform. They provide unsecured business loans to sole traders, partnerships and limited companies. Now, we've been a great introducer to Funding Circle over the years, providing support to growing businesses in need of finance. And the main reason why Funding Circle has invited us to join their Business Champion program is really the quality of the business that we've been introducing. Now, part of the central philosophy that we have here at BLS is that we are very hands-on as regards supporting business owners through the process of applying for finance, which means we will challenge you regularly about the finance that you want to make sure it is the right decision, and that has reflected in a extremely low default rate, or where businesses have not paid back. In fact, during the whole time that we've been dealing with Funding Circle, we've never had a business not repay its loan. So that's really good news. So what does this Business Champion program mean for you? First of all, obviously it's a great badge of honor for us, but for you, first of all, it means improved turnaround time. So being on the program means that our applications are now prioritized, so we'll get a much quicker response. And it also means that we'll get access to the very best deals for you. So it's really good news for us, and thanks very much to the Funding Circle team. And of course, well done to Simon and Sue, my Business Loan Services colleagues. Hard work really does pay off when you're focused on providing excellence. More exciting news coming out from the mobile banking industry, with an announcement from CountingUp that it has now formally launched its business banking app. Now, CountingUp, as said, is a mobile-only bank, announced at the beginning part of 2018 that it was looking for small businesses to volunteer to road test its first draft version of its business bank account. Well, about 1,000 business owners volunteered for that, and they've been busily giving their feedback on that bank account. Well, all that feedback has now been taken, and it's now formally launched out into the open marketplace. Well, what does it give you? Well, first of all, CountingUp, its service is really quite unique. What it's also done, it's built its own internal accounting software. So it means that every time a transaction goes through your mobile banking app, it then automatically transfers over to your profit and loss. And therefore you can build up automatically a profit and loss, so you can keep track on what you're doing in real time. So that's a really good service. In terms of the account itself, if you deposit up to £750 per month, the service is free. But if you really want the all singing, all dancing version, well, that will cost you £9.95 a month. Probably a small price to pay for what you will get. Now, other services that are coming in 2018 include automatic receipt scanning. Also, it'll create your self-assessment and your tax return and file it. That would be really useful for many small businesses, and an invoice generation system as well. So certainly a service to watch. If you want to know more about CountingUp, just go along to its website, which is countingup.com. In recent bulletins, I've been reporting how confidence levels amongst UK small businesses continues to rise. Well, that trend continues with two new surveys out from Bibby Financial Services and the Institute of Directors. First of all, Bibby's looked at sales expectations amongst its client base. There, when the question was asked last month, there's been an increase of 13% in the recent survey on businesses who say they're expecting sales to increase over the next 3 months. 50% of businesses are now saying that sales are expected to increase. In terms of overall confidence levels, well, that is now at a high peak since Q2 2015. So businesses are clearly feeling a lot more confident. What about the Institute of Directors? Well, their members are feeling equally confident. In February, 39% of them said that they were confident about their future. In March, that's now up to 47%, a significant jump. But of course, it's not all good news. What is holding businesses back? Well, first of all, the state of the UK economy. That's hanging over many businesses. Also, skill shortages are starting to come out. And with unemployment at record lows, businesses are reporting that they're finding it difficult to find skilled labour. And also, our good old friend, red tape and government regulation is another thing that's holding businesses back from investment. However, overall, really good news and really exciting to see that businesses are much more confident about the future. Well, that's it for another bulletin. As ever, I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please don't forget to give it a like and a share. So that's it for this bulletin. Have a great, successful and profitable week. I look forward to being with you again next time. Bye-bye now.